Much love, and I'm Wayne Johnson with Doc and Queen Ministries. Got a short little message for you today, but I think it's going to help you tremendously. Look, the Lord has a way of giving us exactly what we need when we're in trouble. He tells us what we need to do when we're having good times and things are going well. He also tells us what to do. So we're going to go to James chapter 5, verse 13, and it reads, "Are you having troubles? You should pray. Are you happy? You should sing." See, God has a way of telling you what you need and what you need to do about what you need when you are going through it. Take care. God bless. Once again, much love.